If your business isn't growing, it's not your ads, it's not the algorithm, it's not the economy, it's your offer. Most entrepreneurs try to sell harder, but the real money is made when the offer becomes so good, people feel stupid saying no. Today, I'll break down the framework from $100 offers that can completely change how you sell and how much you make. Today, I'll break down the framework from $100 offers that can completely change how you sell and how much you make. Stay until the end, because the last piece is what turns a normal offer into a grand slam. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Marketing cannot fix a weak offer. You can run the best ads in the world. You can hire elite copywriters. You can optimize funnels endlessly. If the offer is average, results will be average. Hormozi's core thesis is simple. Wealth is created by making offers so valuable that price becomes irrelevant, and he breaks it down into a mathematical framework. Hormozi defines value with this equation. Value, SACR, dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement, divided by time delay times effort and sacrifice. Let's break it down. 1. Dream outcome. What does your customer really want? Not fitness coaching. They want confidence, attraction, status, health without stress. The bigger and clearer the dream outcome, the higher the value. Ask, are you selling a service or a transformation? 2. Perceived likelihood of achievement. This is trust. Do they believe it will work? Increase this by testimonials, case studies, guarantees, specific mechanisms. Specificity increases belief. Lose weight is weak. Lose 15 pounds in 12 weeks without cutting carbs is strong. 3. Time delay. The faster the result, the more valuable it becomes. People pay for speed. Amazon won by reducing shipping time. Streaming beat DVDs by eliminating waiting. Ask yourself, can you shorten the path? 4. Effort and sacrifice. The less work required from the client, the higher the value. Done for you is better than done with you, which is better than do it yourself. Remove friction, remove complexity, remove confusion. Make success feel easy. Make it look like magic. Now here's where most businesses leave money on the table. You don't just improve the core offer, you stack value relentlessly. Hormozi calls this creating a grand slam offer. Here's how. Step 1. Solve one painful problem. Specific market, specific pain, specific outcome. The narrower the focus, the stronger the positioning. Step 2. Add high perceived value bonuses. Bonuses should increase likelihood of success, reduce effort, and speed up results. Example, selling a course? Add templates, checklists, swipe files, community access. Each bonus increases perceived value. Step 3. Add a bold guarantee. Risk reversal is leverage. When risk disappears, conversions increase. Examples, 30-day money-back, results-based guarantee, double your money guarantee. Step 4. Price after value stacking. List total value first, then reveal the price. The gap creates psychological leverage. Here's what you can do today. Write down your customer's ultimate dream outcome. List everything that prevents them from achieving it. Create solutions for each obstacle. Bundle them together. Add a strong guarantee. Don't improve your marketing, improve your offer. If you're serious about building high-revenue offers, I highly recommend reading 100 Maller's Offers. The link is in the description. It's one of the most tactical business books you can study. And if you grab it through that link, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Entrepreneurs don't sell products, they sell outcomes. The better the outcome, the faster it arrives, the easier it feels, the more you get paid. Fix your offer, and revenue becomes predictable. If you want weekly breakdowns of books that increase your income, like and subscribe. And start thinking like an offer architect, not just a marketer. And if you're serious about applying this properly, get your copy of 100 Maller's Offers using the link in the description. Study it, mark it up, implement it. It's not just a book, it's a revenue playbook. If you grab it through that link, you're also supporting this channel at no extra cost to you. Build better offers. Make more money. Repeat. I'll see you in the next one. Build better offers. Make more money. Repeat. I'll see you at the top. Let's go.